Ohm's law. Very important questions. Ohm's law. Ohm's law. First, we know the drift velocity. Drift velocity. It is the average velocity with which the electron get drifted towards the battery positive and battery positive end of battery in the influence, okay, in the influence of external electric field. Okay, then we have to write step by step. V is equal to, we know V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to U plus AT. Then V1 is equal to U1 plus AT tau 1. Okay. V2 U2 plus A tau T. Tau is the relaxation time. Is the charge of electron. Okay. Then V3 is equal to U3 plus A tau 3. Okay. Then we add this V and V3 up to V3 up to Vn. Vn is equal to Un plus A tau n. Okay, we add this. We add V1 plus V2 plus V3 up to Vn is equal to Vd. Drift velocity is equal to U1 plus A tau 1, okay, plus U2 plus A tau 2, okay, then U3 plus A tau 3, okay, up to Un plus A tau n. We have this next step. U1 plus U2 plus U3, okay, U3 up to UN, one part, and another part plus A tau 1 plus tau 2 plus tau 3 up to tau n divided by whole n. Okay, then U1 plus U2 plus U3 up to Un divided by n plus A tau 1 plus tau 2 plus tau 3 up to tau n divided by n. Okay, then this will be 0. Then this value will be E by m into tau. This is the drift velocity, or we can write EV tau divided by m. V is equal to E by L. Okay, we do next time. E divided by m tau. V is equal to E by E into L. E is equal to V by L, Lm. Okay, V is equal to Lm. E by m tau, EV tau divided by Lm. Okay. This is the velocity. Capital E is equal to electromotive force or voltage. Then we get the value of Vd. Then Ohm's law states that Ohm's law states that the voltage across the voltage across the if the physical conditions are constant, the flow of current is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across its ends. This is Ohm's law. Okay. Then we know Vd is equal to I is equal to very little. Look at the blackboard very carefully. NaEVd. Then we know Vd is equal to, this is equation number 1. Then we know Vd is equal to E tau divided by E by m tau. Okay, we put the value of Vd in equation 1. Putting the value of drift velocity Vd in equation 1. Then what we will get? We will get NaE, okay, E divided by m into tau. Then this will be that Na I is equal to Na square E by m tau. Okay, then we know E is equal to V by L. We know E is equal to V by L. Then putting the value of E in equation 2. Okay, then we have to write in this is the equation 2. Then I is equal to Na square V by L m tau. Okay, then V is equal to MLI. Okay, MLI is equal to Na square V tau. This implies that V is equal to MLI divided by Na square tau. Then this implies that V is directly proportional to I is equal to V is equal to IR. Okay, is equal to IR. R is the resistance. This is all about Ohm's law. This is the I NaVd. We putting the the value of Vd E by m tau, okay, E by m tau, then we put the value of Vd in this equation, Na Vd by m tau, E is equal to, we know V is equal to L, E is equal to V by L, putting this is the, okay, this is called Ohm's law. If there is any doubt, then this is a very important question. Prepare it, and any doubt, then you ask me in my comment section. Thank you.